Oh no, I warped the needle. Don't panic, because I'm about to show you how to change this out. First, you need a set of Allen wrenches. Find the right one that goes with your serger. The key is to make sure to find the right one that fits. I think I'll try this one. This is the smallest one. So I have a dirty machine. I've been working. Let's see. That one fits. Awesome. So, I always forget which one is the right and which one is the left. If you see, there are two holes. So let's see. Oh, please don't drop. This turn, and we got the right one. It's awesome. Oh, I forgot the most important thing. We have to cut all threads. So, go back up to the top, get your trusty scissors, and you're going to gather all your threads and snip. We will be rethreading. Okay, back to the needle. So, here's the needle. After I get rid of all the threads. Look at how bent that is. That is so crazy. Yep, I tore that up. Next, I'm going to gather my set of universal needles. I like to use chrome because they don't break as much. Brand new needle. Ta-da! And we're going to slip it right back in there. Now note that one side is round, the other side is flat. You have to figure out on your machine which side goes which. The flat side goes to the back. And you're going to push that up in there like so. And just turn and adjust it back in there. Remember the rule, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we already loosened it up before when we took it out, and now it's tightened up and it's back in there. Now sometimes you might feel that it's not all the way right in there. So you can just go in and adjust. It's not that hard. But you have to take it back out and put it back in there. Make sure the lines are showing to the front and the flat side is in the back. And that is how you change out a broken or warped needle. Hardest part is done, so I will get ready to clean up the machine and show you how to thread.